K-Rain RPS Select. Never remove a nozzle again. Because the K-Rain RPS Select rotor has 4 built-in selectable nozzles, it is the quickest nozzle change of any rotor. By matching the nozzle to the appropriate arc set, you automatically achieve matched precipitation. Using the K key or slotted screwdriver, turn the nozzle to the 1 position. Turn the arc set to 90 degrees. Here's how to set for other rotations. For 180 degrees, use nozzle number 2. For 270 degrees, use nozzle number 3. And for 360 degrees, use nozzle number 4. K-Rain RPS Select. Never remove a nozzle again.